row of machines, all working together to provide the services that make Google function.
I love building and operating data centers.
Level areas, we even use underfloor intrusion detection via laser beams. So I'm going to
standing in front of the new Server Challenge 2, SoftLayer's booth at GDC Online. So you can take a look on the side here. We got some brand new branding. We got an old kind of arcade 8-bit thing going on here. The new Server Challenge is sponsored by SoftLayer and Supermicro. Big shout out to Supermicro for their help with this. But if you're familiar with the Server Challenge, you know kind of the general kind of components of it. So you can walk around the front. You've got your times right here. Your
That's for our data centers. This data center here in South Carolina is, of all the employees at Google, a very, very small percentage of those employees are authorized to even enter a data center campus.
In layman's terms,
and with the number of people that we have on site, that is an amazing accomplishment.
The goal is to put everything back together in the quickest time possible, and the person who does it the fastest at GDC Online wins a new MacBook Air. So it's not, they're not winning an iPad, they're not winning an iPod, they're winning a new MacBook Air, so it's getting serious over here. This is actually a full-size rack from one of our data centers.
And the privacy of our users' information is our foremost design criteria.
That's that kind of old-school 8-bit vibe, the theme. So we got the 3 different network cables below here. Red carries public network traffic, blue carries private network traffic, and green carries out-of-band management network traffic. This is what you'd see in the SoftLayer data center if you went and visited. So we're going to just go ahead and get all these plugged in quickly. I don't know if giving explanations while I'm going is going to help my time at all. I feel like it's not, but I'm going to...
Because it helps with the efficiency. You'll notice that we have overhead power distribution. Coming from the outside yard, we bring in the high voltage power, distribute across all of the customized bus taps that are basically plugs where we plug in all the extension cords. All of our racks these are custom designed and built for Google so that we can optimize the servers for hyper efficiency and high performance computing. Replace them, to upgrade them because maybe they're just no longer efficient to run. We have a very thorough end-to-end chain of custody process for managing those drives from the time till they're brought to an ultra-secure cage.
That'll be your time. So to give you an idea of what it looks like when it's all done, I can actually show it off and give it a try. Right now, Natalie is in the lead. Natalie is another person who works at SoftLayer, and we got some fictional 8-bit kind of video game characters going on over here too. So so 1:16:70. Natalie's got me by about a half a second right now, but you get an idea of how everything has to go in there. You can take a look. All the drive trays are all the way in, locked, closed, and flush, and all of the network cables are in the correct switch, red on the top, blue in the middle, green on the bottom. If you're at a GDC Online or if you're at any show where SoftLayer has Server Challenge 2, stop by and give it a shot.
We take the server racks and we butt it right up against our air conditioning unit, passes across those coils where the heat from the air transfers to the water in those coils, and then that warm water is then brought outside the data center to our cooling plant where it is cooled down through our cooling towers and returned back to the data center, and that process just repeats over and over again.